G'day guys, Mick here. Thought I'd do a quick 5-minute yarn as a little special on top of today's normal video. So today's video is the hashtag Padge Life video. That was released at lunchtime, so if you haven't already checked that out, make sure to jump over when you finish watching this video and check it out. First thing you'll notice today is I'm wearing a mask. Because, well, it is COVID. I am in the Greater Sydney area, we are locked down. And being on the Central Coast, there's recently been a bit of a blow up. So I'm just trying to be cautious. Even though I'm on my morning walk and well, there's one lady behind me. But even though I'm on my morning walk and there's not really many people around here, I have seen a lot of people not following the rules. I have seen groups of half a dozen or more people walking here. So I'm just trying to take some precautions. But yeah, again, I am in the Greater Sydney area. I can take that off. I am in the Greater Sydney area, so I am technically in the lockdown zones. So I thought I'd do a quick update and say hi and basically hope everyone's staying safe, doing the right thing. You know, we all know these lockdowns suck. But, you know, the more we protest against it, the more we do the wrong thing, the longer we're going to be stuck in them. And the longer everyone is going to be stuck in them. So those of us that are trying to do the right things are going to be suffering longer because of these people that don't want to. So yeah, hope everyone's safe, hope everyone's well, and I hope you're all respecting the rules at the moment and staying at home and doing the right thing. As for the channel, well, I've still got a fair bit of content lined up. I think even after today's, I think I've got 11 more videos lined up. So that's what, 11 more weeks worth of footage, something like that. I have filmed the Getting Out There series, even though it's not quite what I hoped. I've ended up having to do it in my backyard because of COVID, and I haven't been able to film everything I wanted to film, but I have filmed it. I'm waiting on some photos from my mother. She's going to send me up a flash drive with a heap of photos from when I was younger, going out camping and things like that. So I'm waiting on them. I'll probably start on the production of those videos today, start on the editing and whatnot. If not tomorrow or whenever I'm in lockdown. I've got as much friggin' time as I want. I can't go camping, can't do anything else. So yeah, I've got that filmed. I've got 11 videos already lined up, so I've still got a bit of content hopefully to get me right through lockdown. And then I've been talking with Ryan from Vikings 4x4 Adventures, and he's actually added me to a group chat with a bunch of others, Unpro Adventures, Shad Donahue, a few others. Now there's talk there about a creators weekend or something. So yeah, fingers crossed that'll be happening after lockdown, just a matter of when and where. But I'm also planning with Ryan to do a fortnight trip, a 2-week-long trip. Now Ryan won't be with me for the whole trip, but I'm planning to do a 2-week trip out, starting at Glenbourne Dam and heading out through Mudgee and Hill End, along the Turon, out into Bathurst, Lithgow, and all that sort of stuff. So depending on how I'm going for footage there, hopefully I'll have enough to get me right through so that I've got time to get back and edit a few before I run out. But if I don't, I was actually thinking I might, while I'm out there, if I am running out, I might actually just live stream it. On the lunchtime on the Wednesday, same as always, I might simply just drop a live stream and give you guys an update of where I am and what's happening. So I'll see what happens there. Couple of people coming up. So yeah guys, that's where I'm at the moment. Yeah, that's where I'm at the moment, guys. I'm stuck in lockdown, but I've got a fair bit of footage, I've got a fair bit of work to do in regard to editing and all that sort of stuff. trying to do the right thing and stay home as much as possible. All my friends and family and everyone received a message a couple of weeks ago. I tell them I don't want anybody over. So me, the missus and our son have been locked down for the last probably close on 3 weeks now. We go in tomorrow to get our first AstraZeneca jab. So yeah, going in tomorrow to get our first jab. So I'll be 5G compatible from tomorrow apparently. Might get better phone signal in the bush, eh? Anyway guys, I'll leave it at that. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care of each other, stay COVID safe, stay safe in general. As for these protests and things like that, seriously, they're only going to keep us all in lockdown for longer and make us all suffer more. They're not going to do any bloody good. Alright guys, take care, peace, and I'll see you on the tracks.